I should have bet.
Who is this?
I don't know who this is.
I like that straight out the stuff.
Nah, I think I do know him. Yeah, that's my homeboy. I know him.
Yeah, it doesn't have too much of the film, but I like that.
All my people on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. Yeah, I got it live in HD. I got it in HD. All my people on TikTok. Oh, it's called Lookout Racing. Yeah, it's called Lookout Racing on YouTube. Chris talking about I need HD. He over on TikTok. He said he need HD. Yeah, come on over here to TikTok. I mean YouTube, man.
Yeah, get on that YouTube.
I got it in HD, but what happened every now and then, it buffer for about 8 seconds and then it come back. When it do, don't go nowhere. Stay there. Here I come. I ain't manipulated the system all the way, but I got it showing clearer than everybody else live. When you get over here, let me know. Anybody come from TikTok, come to my YouTube channel, let me know so I can shout you out. Look out, look out. All right, y'all, we got Brian Mason and Chris Areola. Chris Areola. Nice name. All righty, guys. We got Chris Areola. Just enjoyed the chat. New to the chat. That's right, guys. Chris Areola.
Chris Areola.
Yeah. Okay, what's this? Nah, I done been living in real life before. Oh shit, my battery low. From TikTok, guys. Okay. They cleaning up the track, guys. They got the mops out. Let me get my battery charger. I'm on. We got Limpy in the building, y'all. Let me see what this do. Damn, sweet toy.
It is, man. I'm telling you.
Left lane for the win.
Wow. We got out of it 4 times and still drove around him.
Boy, that be. Ooh, I like that motherfucker there, boy. God. Sweet toy. Remember you had that?
Yeah, shit. I'm just like the candy donut.
I need to find it.
Yeah, you need to go find that one.
Huh?
It tastes just like the candy donut.
I like that.
That shit clean as fuck.
I eat that all day.
You ain't lying. It's smooth than a motherfucker too.
Smooth. I hit the bit about 5-6 times. Okay, we got the charge in now, y'all. I let it drop down to 18%. Smoked up all limping shit. Look out, Shadow. I like the way that truck running. I like the way that truck running right there. I know her. Don't I know her?
That's Kayla.
Oh, yeah, it's Kayla.
Kayla Martin.
Her last name Martin. We got Kayla here, y'all. Hey, Kayla, girl. I thought I recognized her. Yo.
You get a certain spot out there and it's not.
Kayla Morton. She got a smile block.